Neck exercises. Introduction. Which bones are attached to the neck muscles? Choose one of the following options. 1. The skull. 2. The spine. 3. The shoulders. 4. All of the above. Correct. Linda is performing a neck exercise. She tilts her head slowly forward, stretching her back neck muscle until she feels mild tension. Then she immediately tilts her head all the way backward so she can look upward, stretching her front neck muscle. She goes up to the original position and relaxes. She repeats the exercise 5 times. What did Linda forget to do in this stretch exercise? Choose one of the following options. 1. To move slowly. 2. To hold her stretched position for a few seconds. 3. To relax between repetitions. Correct. Linda forgot to hold her posture for a few seconds after she reached the stretching position. Thank you for using Explain.